Welcome to the next episode of Rebelle Revealed. Now in this episode I'm gonna ink the drawing. I'm gonna do all the line work and everything that I've drawn with the pencil I'm now gonna do with a pen. I'm also gonna add some shadow and light to it, but I'm not gonna do that as detailed as I would normally do because I'm gonna add watercolor paint to this so that we get a combined ink and watercolor painting. So in the watercolor paint I will pay some more attention to the light and shadow. Now I'm not gonna let you sit through the whole session of inking. I made a time lapse of that, and once I'm done talking then you can see the time lapse. If you want to draw along, I would say use the pause button to pause it at some point and just catch up and see what I'm doing. Well, enjoy the time lapse or enjoy drawing, and I'll see you in the next episode where we're gonna do the watercolor.